Let's see if this works. I'm already laughing and I haven't even scrolled up yet. Why is it so funny? I haven't even scrolled there yet. I'm just looking at pictures of Brett. It's something. Let me try actually. I think every Brett thread needs to end with a gif of the applause thing.